Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the MACD indicator on Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open Exness chart, then go to indicators here at the top. Click on it, and here at the search bar, type MACD like this, and click on it here. And as you can see, this is our MACD indicator here. So you can make it bigger if you want, like this. If you want to change some settings on it, go to MACD here, click on these three dots, click on settings, and you will see all the settings in all the colors here. You can change all of them if you want. If you want to change the inputs, the length of the moving averages, you can change them from here. As you can see, this is EMAs. You can change them between SMA and WMA. Okay? After you finish, just click on OK. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.